Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. Today my group and I will present about our proposal that is drone for agriculture in paddy field. We also from group 2. Before I go to my slide, let me introduce our group members. First, my name is MOHAMAD FADHLIN bin ZULKIFLEE and my matrix number is CD190207. Second, Muhammad FARHAN bin Muhammad KHIR. Third, Abdul Malik bin Muhammad YAZID. Fourth, Muhammad IZNUL IMAN bin Muhammad ROSLEY. And lastly, ANIL anak lelaki NADARAJAN. That's all our group members. Let's go to my slide that is background of the study. A drone is an unmanned aircraft. Drones are more formally known as unmanned aerial vehicle or unmanned aircraft system. Essentially, a drone is a flying robot that can be remotely controlled or fly autonomously using software controlled flight plans in its embedded system that work in conjunction with onboard sensor and a global positioning system that is GPS. Agriculture drone technology has been improving in the last few years, and the benefits of drone in agriculture are becoming more apparent to farmers. According to World Economic Forum, drones are helping prevent the spread of disease like dengue fever and tuberculosis. Drone application in agriculture range from mapping and surveying to crop dusting and spraying. Drones have revolutionized agriculture by offering farmers major cost saving, enhanced efficiency, and more profitability. However, this is a new technology which is newly developed in this industry. The way to address this is by introduce drones in the paddy field. That's all from me. I will give this presentation to my friend.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is FARHAN bin Muhammad KHIR. Number matrix CD190042. I will present about statement of problem. Nowadays, spraying operation in a paddy field is considered as the most harmful operation since the farmers has to deal with the toxic chemicals and frequent exposure. Drone provides an effective method for such operation by reducing time of operation at least about 1/3 compared to the traditional. The production rate of crops in paddy field is based on various parameters like temperature, humidity and rain, which are natural factors and not in farmers' control. The field of agriculture is also depends on some of factors like pesticides and fertilizers, which can be controlled by giving proper treatment to crops. Pesticides may increase the productivity of crops, but it also affects on human health.
Hello, my name is ANIL NADARAJAN. My matrix number is CD190243. This is my topic part, which is research objective. Number 1 is to find out the benefit of the technology could provide to the farmers in paddy field. Number 2 is to optimize the use of input of fertilizer and pesticide in the paddy field. Number 3 is to find out an effective method for such operation by reducing time of operation or avoid the hazard. Next is research question, which is number 1 is what are the chance of you getting poison from the venomous animals. Number 2 is how many workers do you need to do the process. Number 3 is what is the risk for farmers since they use the chemicals. Number 4 is do you encourage in our service. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Abdul Malik bin Muhammad YAZID. My matric number is CD190238. I will present about significance of the study. By comparing the two process methods presented by this research, there will be an expansion on the current understanding of the firms on this process method in terms of cost, acceptability, and sustainability. This study provides a clear presentation on this process method on drone for agriculture, giving them insight on which strategy is more appropriate and useful for them. This research will benefit farmers in deciding which process method should they employ.
Hi, my name is Muhammad IMAN bin Muhammad ROSLEY. My matrix number is CD190230. I'm going to present about scope of the study. The scope of our study is intended for the farmers in the paddy field. Our study is about finding a new method that more efficient and enhanced for farmers in the paddy field by using drone technology. Next is methodology. First method is interview, by interviewing farmers with specific experience. Second method is questionnaire, by using online platform which is through Google Form. That's all from our group. Thank you.